Hey guys, I just wanted to show you a quick example of solving for the starting amount in one of these exponential word problems. It's not too bad, okay? So here's a quick example. You start a collection of Beanie Babies in 1997. Yeah, I don't even know if you guys know what Beanie Babies are. They were really cool when I was growing up. People collected them. I don't know. Anyway, the collection grew 37% per year, and by 2005 it was worth $13,400. How much was it worth initially? Okay, so this is an exponential model. We're writing an exponential equation, y equals a times b to the x. The thing that's a little bit different about this is what they initially give us and what they're asking us to solve for. Okay, so let's just stay organized and it won't be too bad. First, it grew 37%. So my b is going to be more than 1. It's going to be 1.37. Okay. Going up 37%, we have 137% of what we used to have. Our B is 1.37. Our starting amount, we don't know, okay? That's what we're trying to figure out, okay? You don't know the starting amount. Our X, our time, we actually do know the time. It was 1997 to 2005. It was 8 years. We actually do know the time. And we know the ending amount. We know that at the end of those 8 years, it was worth $13,400. So this is the equation we end up trying to solve. Now, unlike the problems where we're solving for the exponents, which are tricky, involving logarithms, and we didn't go over that in this class, this problem we can totally solve algebraically. Okay? Pay close attention here. This entire part is a number. Go to your calculator. Type that in, 1.37 to the 8th power. You get out a number. So then the equation you're left with is 13,400 equals A times a number. Well, how do you figure out what A is? You just divide by that number. Do that to both sides. Type in your calculator. You get that A, that starting amount was $1,079.79. Okay. As with all the word problem stuff, make sure you check that it makes sense in the context of the problem. Your starting amount, if it's going up, better be less than the ending amount, obviously. Yeah, so like the fact that it started out being worth $1,000, grew a bunch, and then ended up being, okay, $13,000, that makes sense. So make sure your answer makes sense in the context of the problem. And most importantly, you can do this algebraically. So I'd like you to show this work algebraically in the problems that you write. Okay? Not using your calculator, you can use algebraically. Show this work like this. All right, thanks for watching, guys.